they prefer not to have some pulp, so I have to strain it. If I could get this. I think we cannot drink anymore. I gotta drink it. I need some help.
Kamusta mga kaigan?
Hi amazing people! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is May again with you, and today I'm gonna share with you my very fresh and refreshing cucumber lemonade punch. So this is the very simple summer drink, very refreshing since today we are actually like sweating. It's quite hot here, and I'm sure in Philippines as well. So summer is approaching and we feel it, so I think this is the best time that I should share my lemonade punch, cucumber lemonade punch. I'm gonna go over with the ingredients, and these ingredients are very simple, so I'm sure you already have this in your pantry or in your kitchen. First, we have, since it is a cucumber lemonade, so we need a cucumber. So I have lots of here. But you can just have like 2 or 3 of this size. There are other kinds of cucumber as well. So some are like huge or bigger than this one. I don't know. In Philippines, it looks very different, and there are bigger as well. So what I did, sorry, the ingredients, right? So first, we have to use our cucumber and lime. You know, you can use as well lemon if that's your preference, or you can use orange. So anything citrusy fruit we can actually use instead of how you call this, lime. Okay, so I have here lime and a simple syrup right here, lots of simple syrup. I'm gonna do another video of how to make a simple syrup, guys, and how you can actually use it in desserts or in your drink, cocktails or mocktails. You know, different simple syrup, different variation of simple syrup depending of how you want to use it. That's for our next video. So let's start, because I'm really thirsty, and I'm sure people out here as well are thirsty and waiting for this refreshing cucumber lemonade punch. So I have here a blender with cold water. Now if you don't have a blender, guys, you can also use this grater. Yeah, you can also grate the cucumber from, I'm sorry, mental block. If you don't have a blender, you can use the grater here. So what you do is you have to peel first. Now, personally, I don't prefer ones with skin, so I normally peel it like what I did here. But it's up to you guys. You can just leave it on and then just grate it, or just chop it into slice and then you can just drop it in your blender. But what I did is I actually peel it, but I did leave some skin for the garnish, you know, for like this one, a very thin slice. We're gonna use this one later on just to decorate our how do you call that, our picture. Yeah, so okay guys, because we are all thirsty here, let's start and blend, mix all this up, and then that's it. So first I'm gonna add the sliced cucumber into my blender with cold water. Right, so now you can add ice here if you love to, but I will leave it like this, and I will just add the ice cubes on my pitcher later on. Some water. I think that's enough. There you go. So I think you have to blend this like for a couple of minutes or so until you see like it's fully blended. You know, the smell itself is already refreshing. Very fresh. And smells tasty. Okay, I'm gonna do it one more time. And that's it. Now, there are people who love to just leave the pulp, but I have few visitors right now that they prefer not to have some pulp, so I have to strain it. If I could get this. I think we cannot drink anymore. I'm gonna take it. I need some help. I need some crew.
Help!
I need some help.
911 help!
Okay, I'm done. I'm good. So, to remove the pulp, you need to strain this. As I've said, guys, you can leave the pulp, but I have few visitors who doesn't like the pulp, so I have to remove it. You know what? This is one way as well of letting your kids have some vegetables. I don't know if it's like, is cucumber a vegetable? I'm not sure. Please comment down below. Is a cucumber vegetable or a fruit? Because I know tomato is a fruit. There you go. Ah, my God. The smell is already refreshing. Nice. I can't wait. I can't wait forever. Okay. One more. One more. So I think that's enough. So that's our cucumber, blended cucumber. And to that, I'm gonna squeeze now some lime. Now you can use 2 or 3 limes depending of how citrusy you would like to have. As I've said, you can use some orange, you can use lemon as well instead of lime, or you can use the grapefruit. This is also good for people who's doing the detox. You can use this one too. Or the ones who's doing their diet, so you can have this as your water. So I'm just gonna pour here. We'll mix it all together in a while. I'm gonna add our simple syrup. Now, simple syrup, it's really depending with you guys of how much sweet you would like to put. That's your preference. And we're gonna mix it very well. There we go. And to this, I'm gonna add some ice, or you can leave it like this and just add the ice on your glasses. So guys, I will leave it with you if you want to put some ice here or just directly to your glass. Now remember, we had some slices as well earlier, the thin slice of cucumber. You can put it in here to design your picture, or have it here as your garnish. There you go. Well, put it nice and beautiful. Now for me, I want my lemonade, I want my cucumber lemonade a bit sweet. So to this, I'm gonna add some simple syrup, just a bit. I'm gonna have it more. Let me taste it. Heaven! I'm sweating here. I can really feel the summer. And this one is very refreshing. Very good. Very healthy. Very cheap. You sure guys, you can just buy a couple or 2 of cucumber, have your lemon or your lime, 1 or 2, that's okay, and then a simple syrup. Now if you want to replace a simple syrup with honey, that's also okay. So you can use, you can experiment. As always, you can experiment. There's no rules. Now comment down how you would like to have your lemonade, your variation of cucumber lemonade, and share it with me guys. So I'm gonna chill here, sit and enjoy my drink. So I'll see you. Now if you don't have a blender guys, you can also use this. How do you call this? How do you call this?
Get Karen.